Howdy folks, we're going to do some eco resin pouring today. Let's do some. We do a red car. And we've got the babies. I think I'm going to do them white so I can paint them or draw on them. Let's do brown.
So no, I wouldn't care if stuff like that. I've been looking to move.
Let's go in there with that. And we'll do a blue first.
She thought Blueface would want her then. And honey, she went over there kissing all on his back fat and shit.
Oh, look at that blue, that's so pretty. I would never even let him blindfold and handcuff me, because fuck that, I wouldn't trust that boy. I wouldn't trust him one bit, like. So yeah. It. Okay, let's do Paris. That's what it actually technically is. Going on with some water. Oh, God. Making a right mess. I think sometimes it's better to just do the white and then paint them, but oh, we'll see how it goes. I'm splashing this everywhere. Messy. This is the messiest work, but it's actually really quick to get done. Like I can unmould these in a couple of hours. I'm thinking I can sit and paint or like use the acrylic markers on them like all at once. So that'll be a video coming soon. If these work out. If they don't, I'll just do them in white next time and paint them once they are done. Okay, let's pour this where it needs to go. It's quite runny, but I want it to... Oh shit, fuck, bollocks. Excuse me, guys. Still not enough. Oh, fuck's sake, stop doing that, guys.
Have no shame, there's no time. Feel the pain, live the grind. I could change, in my mind. Pick a lane, commit and climb. The only way to win at life.
Oh, that's so cool. That's cute. We're going to work with these. Thanks for joining, guys. Much love, Breezy. Like, see you again soon. Bye.